All right, today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this specific Mitsubishi Outlander. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Mitsubishi Outlander. In order to open the hood, what I'll do is, you see I'm behind the steering wheel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door. And I'm going to look down towards the foot near the brake, and there is a lever right here. You see this lever? What I'll do is I'll come right here and I'll pull it and I'll hear a little click. Now that is the hood being popped open, but there's more steps to take. So what I'll do is I'll go out of the vehicle and then I'll go around to the front of the vehicle, and on the front of the vehicle there will be a safety latch. Okay, so you raise it a little bit and there is a safety latch. Raise it up right here. Okay, the hood is open. Now with the hood open, there is actually a kickstand type of thing. Take this up and then put this in place. So the kickstand, or that holds the hood open, is right there. You see that? All right, so put that in place, and the lever that I'm talking about is this right here. You have to take your fingers, slide it to the left, and then raise the hood. All right, so that is how you open the hood on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.